MC, like I'm a rapper. I'm about to do this thing right here. We're about to holding it down. Zampo. Hashtag Zamporoma ke bafethu khona lana ekhaya ukhamba ngosithembiso mara abaningi ekhasi ke bathani la ka Sparks bafethu selani la posi at the 15 rand party. What I mean by 15 rand is that everything is just 15 rands, to the entrance fee, to the drinks, and just you uthenga inyama yakho ube mnandi khona lana ela posi ePimville kusazoba mnandi bafethu. Everything is just 15 rand. So if you're missing out, I'm pretty much sure that you're just wondering ukuthi why ngayazi kahle kahle le party le 15 rand. Khululeka relax ukubonisa ukuthi what you actually missed out on. Khona lana ke bafethu iZamporoma, and still have tons and tons of other events just to show you and showcase what you're actually missing out on. Khona lana 15 rand party. Shout out to the organizers for inviting us ukuthi siwakale lana. But I just want to check out and look at the vibe. With this keeper and everybody is just having a good time. They're having fun. 15 rand bafethu, entrance fee, drinks, ekawolo. Uzoshota ngani bafethu? Zamporoma khona lana ungayindawo sazoba mnandi. Gcwala. Here tonight, and how's the vibe tonight?
Tonight it's a 15 rand party. Yonkinto 15 rand, ungena 15 rand. Unfortunately, so late. Ibhodlela or cooler box so with 50 rand. But you know, that's a But earlier on, everything was just 15 rand. You have 15 DJs. 15 rand petrol to get here.
Yeah. No, the vibe is cool. It's happening like a 15 rand gig. It's phakamisa kutabek zayela mahoja. As the login is a supporter and is he so kuna abantu you understand ukunetwork njengami nawe. Uyangithola njengoba
Nyakuzwa Jayam nyakuzwa. Jayam ngezakalani, how's the vibe?
The vibe is dope. Unechere ezinhle. Siyabonga utabek zasilethela amantombazana amahle.
Ukready Jayam.
Roba!
Ini?
Zamporoma!
Great Marawtab.
I'm
Shelly, you the fan. You one of the fans. Aba supporter ababhekela show Jayami. So if it wasn't from when, I'm not gonna ask you what Jani vibe gets Agalan. I wanna know from you. Are we doing a good job or not?
Boy, especially doing the good job of brand. That's more than I Sis Promele, Zamporoma, Sfusi block shit, Sfusi Bukas,
Sfusi block shit, Bukas, boy.
Sfusi Bukas,
the vibe is epic. It's been since during the day till now.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I'm having a lot of fun. Hey, Joburg is like super, especially Soweto. I can't. Why should I?
Because Gumnand is so here. So come on, people.
Hello, it's epic. It's epic. It's very nice.
Now, just tell us about you being a DJ, a female DJ. What are your plans? Where to from here?
Being a female DJ, a 21-year-old. Hello. I play old school hip hop. I'm your Joey Badass, your Notorious B. I'm your everything, your old school. And the future, I'm expecting a lot. I'm expecting a lot. Like big things are popping. You know, the little shit stopping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ngingagcoka lamakepisi la elogini SOWETO Spressa Makasi siyabangena ngena. Ngiphethe order la. Ungaba home. Ushaye nje just a jean jacket ube mnandi like vintage on hoodie tops, on caps, yangithola. No order I'm on body warmer. Siyabangena ungadideki man. SOWETO, yeah.
Sure, my face. Another thing, you need to know if venue oyakuyo. You understand? If it's an outdoor event, try to wear it's warm and nice. You understand? And if it's an indoor event, you just carry that jacket and then the skipper will do because of Access always was advanced. My heat are grand. Walk on my pubs
I'm a
grand.
great eater.
Okay, all I can say is, since it's winter, you gotta be on your coats, you gotta be on your beanies, and you gotta be on your kicks, your warm kicks.
You know what, guys? Talanendini, it's cold. Or just go to indoor events like this one. I feel so hot right now, and ngizeng amile.
Guys, njengoba sekubanda ke, ladies, please dress up. We know less is more, but please dress up.
Boy, especially up girls, they must wear our boots, like the flipping boots, they careful, the coach in yellow. Obviously, it's like bomb, but I'm wearing a boots, boots, football, boots, football. Football. Football.
That was the 15 Rand party ever fair to, and now we're going to the box where we have a gorgeous, beautiful girl that goes by the name of Yaya on Fire. A talented girl, Pumala Ekasi in Rockville, and Bafetu, Mzansi has to be ready because Yaya is just on fire. Let's get to know her and her craft better.
I'm Ayanda Masisi Zulu, but the streets know me as Yaya on Fire. I am from Rockville, Soweto, Kasalama Rockstar, you know. I like it. I think right now, even fashion, even TV, art, everything is becoming more African. They're welcoming Africanism. So we're moving away from westernization. We're coming back to who we are. And we are embodying our like Zulu pose or whatever. I roll with this Panja songs. So I'm a house vocalist. I sing, I write, but most of the time my lyrics and vocals are put on house beats. But as a vocalist, I mean, we're very versatile. You put my voice on a R&B beat, you get an R&B song. You put it on a Batanga beat, hopefully, if I'm adventurous, then you get a Batanga song. So yeah, I'm a vocalist. The songs that I have released, right, most of them, they are house tracks. So I'm a very creative person, like, and I'm good with the arts. So I studied fine arts, I do acting, you know. So everything, every talent that I've had has always just been kind of existent until I discovered Beyonce. Haven't we all? My dad bought me a DVD of Beyonce's live at Wembley. And I used to practice to that, and upon realizing that I'm actually good at this, it stuck with me. It became an obsession for me to become a musician, to be like a singer, you know, take over world stages. So that's when I started, but it was like in grade 10 or so. And then afterwards, I went to study fine art first, and then I studied music. And then I came to Soweto TV, actually. I worked here first to make my connections and meet industry people and, you know, work with them. So, well, in the music spaces, and it has worked. I think it's been like 8 years professionally, and just like kind of me meandering in the music spaces has been like, yeah, since high school, I guess. I did my first song with DJ Clark. I actually went to him with a few computer tracks, and he was like, no, I see Shire Foot, I see Shire Foot. Yeah, and he brought like a vocal coach into the studio. So when I was recording, he was busy going, no, Awiyenze futhi, mara uyenze so. So the songs sound very refined after coming out of his studio. So I really liked working with him, and I did a lot of them with him. And then I worked with DJ Mshega, I worked with Mikasa, I worked with Uhuru. There's a couple of people. I'm hoping the songs are still gonna come out. Some songs stay in studio, and then they come out like 6 years later, and they're still relevant to the time, but you're like, okay. But yeah, I've worked with them, even DJ Cleo. in the future, I really want to work with Pan-African artists. So, I don't know, with my songs, the way I've written my music, I'm not very big on collaborating just for the sake of collaborating. I like when a person is part of a song because the song kind of speaks to them as well. So there's a song that I wrote, it's about like Soweto artists and whatnot. I really want Pro Kid on that song. I really want him on that song. I don't know, I need to call somebody who's got his number or something. And then I love Tiwa Savage. She is so powerful, baby girl. Like, she's done so much with her art. She's also an inspiration. But I love how she's not shy. I feel like we as vocalists, we want to look pretty. We want to present an image even when we're supposed to be presenting the art. So most times in music videos, we end up subconscious and shy and just, we want to be like, ooh, hey. So African singers, they're just like, yes, 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 yes. So I want to work with African singers so they can teach me how to do it so we can bring it out of each other. In 1976, the students of that time fought to bring change to South Africa, right? And a lot of talks have been going on that, oh, the youth is not as, not as motivated, not as vigorous. But this year, just at the beginning of the year, the young people were attacking people like Penny Sparrow with the racism. Fees Must Fall happened, you know? So we are showing that we still have that spirit. South African youth in any decade is powerful because we create so many changes. Our fights might not be the exact same as they were back then, but we are always fighting for change. We're always trying to speak for the underdog. We're always trying to create a better South Africa for ourselves. And I think that's a spirit that is going to continue. Right now, it's awesome. 40 years, we speak more because social media spreads the message more and we reach like BBC and international networks. But I think even in future, we're going to do more because South African youth, no matter the year, no matter the decade, the generation, we are like a vigorous force, yeah. The music is available on iTunes, Tidal, Deezer, Google Play. Just search Yaya on Fire, Giteng Bolege on Google, and all the links will come up. There's so many out there. There's just a few that I've chosen to put out because, I don't want to confuse the masses, but I'm even on SoundCloud, Yaya on Fire, so you'll hear all the other works that I haven't released. So for bookings, it's info@theymeproject.co.za. I am at Yaya_on_fire on Twitter, at Yaya on Fire on Instagram, and I've got a Facebook page. Just search Yaya on Fire. You can friend me and like the page. I won't say no.
Follow Yaya on Fire on the social networks to watch this fire grow into a flame. We're now going to some crazy dance moves where we check out ukuthi nina kahle kahle nenzani emapatini mesini mnandi nangithola. Y'all might not see us, but trust us, we definitely see you.
Please, close on the curtains. They might be recording this. I'm not going out again till I get my rolling Come on, people in the back. Come on, people in the trap. Come on, people in the trap.
Wow, bafethu, ekwazi waba mnandi ukuba MT. Ayikhohlwa Sibali, when I grow up I want to be just like this guy. Kaso.
Question how many racks? Instagram post picture. You know, say follow me back. One man say this, one man say another thing. Call my other thing and another thing. For one thing and the only thing. Make it dumb people in the front.
Oh, how I wish you could touch me. Oh, how I wish you would make love to me and tell me that you're mine.
I see you speak.
Spawning on me, so you could use my toothbrush, little on Yami. That's just a pickup line that I learned from Kula.
I'm sure you're in a party mood right now after the beautiful feature. So hlala neta relax because we have a gig guide just for you so you can actually join us kulama event eswahambayo. So check ukuthi zimporoma kuphi kulama viki azayo. It's a wrap, boys and girls. Thank you so much for choosing Iziampo Roma tonight. And if you want to be on the box, promote your event on the Gig Guide, or just invite Iziampo Roma to your event, all what you have to do is hit us Konalana, go info@sowetotv.co.za. Communicate with us, of course, on our social networks with the hashtag Ziampo Roma. We are at Soweto TV channel, and of course, I am Sparks_SA. 7:30 next week, Friday, we're doing it one more time, ladies and gentlemen. So, hlangana khona. Have a lovely weekend.